Certainly be nice to cool off in the ocean today, Dave.
Although the water temperatures are getting the upper 80s now, it's almost feeling like bath water down there. And our air temperatures are in the upper 80s as well. Live look at Tuscaloosa, looking pretty nice there on campus this morning, afternoon now. 88 degrees. The dew point a little higher there in Tuscaloosa at 70, a little bit muggier for you. It's 89 Birmingham, 88 Jasper, back to Hamilton and Alabaster, back to Talladega and Asheville. Everyone in the upper 80s to around lower 90s. But notice the heat index, lower 90s for just about everybody. Jasper a little hotter there at 97 degrees. And the reason why is dew points are not in the lower to mid 70s, rather the mid upper 60s to lower 70s. So it's not as sticky across the area as we were, say, just a week ago. And that's why we have a lot of sunshine out there. Just a few dots. You see some puffy white cumulus clouds. Less humid air remains in place. The muggy air is down along the coast. You can see the sea breeze kicking up there right along the coastline as well. And that's where the really sticky air is confined to. So if you head to the beach, you'll feel some of that. But right now, though, looking at maybe a rogue shower or two trying to pop up in a few spots this afternoon, but most of you will remain dry out there through this afternoon into the evening through 5 o'clock, headed to dinner time tonight around 7 o'clock. And then as we go to bed tonight, looking at a mostly clear sky across central Alabama. So the weather's going to be pretty good. 94 degrees are high today. There's that 10% chance for a stray shower. We'll fall to 81 by 9 o'clock tonight. But the high overall, though, 94 here to Alabaster, 95 Tuscaloosa, 94 there again, Jasper, Hamilton, Gadsden, Anniston today. So pretty toasty no matter where you are. But the heat index, again, may get to 100 degrees here, possibly same for Alabaster and Tuscaloosa, 1 to 2 in Jasper. The rest of us in the upper 90s, so not looking too bad. We do have the poor air quality, Jefferson and Shelby counties. We have an air quality alert for code orange, or unhealthy for sensitive groups. If you have respiratory problems, recommending you stay inside today in the air condition. The rest of us can conserve energy by refueling your car after 6 p.m., cutting the grass after 6 p.m., carpooling, all good things you can do to help put fewer pollutants into the air, which would be some good news. So with that in mind, though, we are talking about across the area here for Birmingham Restaurant Week this evening, looking pretty good. A little hot at 4 o'clock, 94, but down to 88 degrees by 7 o'clock tonight. Again, maybe a rogue shower or two. Now, the humidity stays in the 60s. They're very kind of muggy here, but as we get to Friday and Saturday, it is going to increase back up to dew points around 70. You can see the heat index getting a little higher each day this week, too, back up near 104. But look at the air temperatures, 97. So it's not really oppressive humidity out there, just somewhat it's kind of sticky. And 10 to 20% chance of rain expected all the way through the weekend as well. You'll see tomorrow, though, maybe a little better chance of some pop-up showers. Again, you're lucky if you see some of the rain from lunchtime to the afternoon. Just hit or miss variety here. Better chance off to our northwest. But overall, though, not looking too bad through Wednesday evening. And then overnight into Thursday morning, maybe a couple sprinkles to the north. But really, just looking at some quiet weather. Quick look at the tropics. Watching two features out here right now. We have one out here going over the Windward Islands. Has a low chance of development as it moves to the Caribbean, likely dying out. And a weak area low pressure trying to form south-southwest of Bermuda. That could actually impact the east coast of the United States. So we'll watch out for that one. The one in the Caribbean is Invest 95. This one should move to the due west. Don't need to worry about that one at all, as it will work its way to Central America. Likely just a rainmaker for them. So temperatures 94 today, 96 to 97 by Thursday. We stay around the upper 90s through the weekend into Monday with a daily chance of a shower, but the heat index getting a little higher around 105.